Hello and welcome to the DATAcated Power BI tutorials. In this video, we're going to cover how to connect to data with Power BI. Connecting to data using Power BI Desktop is the first step in building data models and creating reports and dashboards. With Power BI, you can actually connect to several different data types and data sources. These sources include basic data sources such as flat files like Microsoft Excel or CSVs, but you can also connect to online services that contain all sorts of data such as Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics, and many, many more. When you open up Power BI Desktop, you're going to see something called Get Data. You can ignore the try free and sign in features and simply click on Get Data. Selecting Get Data will actually open up this new window where you can select from which type of data do you want to connect to, right? There's all, there's file, there's database, there are Power Platforms, and you can go ahead and scroll through all those different data sources. As I said in the beginning, there are plenty to choose from. So we're going to go ahead and select Excel. The data we're going to connect to today is called a Superstore. I'm going to go ahead and double click that. And it says, please wait for your connection to be established to superstore.xls. All right, what you're going to see now is the navigator window, and you're actually going to select orders because that's the tab that we're going to import and load our data in for this example. So what you're seeing now is the data format, and you can scroll through, make sure everything looks good. Now you have two options here. You can either load the data or you can transform the data. We're going to go ahead and load the data. If you want to learn about transforming data in the Power Query editor, you can actually look at a next video that I'm putting on the Story by Data YouTube channel. All right, so after a few seconds, we actually now have all the fields populated here towards the right where we have category, city, and you can even tell what type of field it is because we have a little calendar next to the date fields. We've got a little sum sign next to numeric fields that we can actually aggregate. So this is how you load data into Power BI. All right, thank you so much for watching the video on how to connect the data to Power BI. If you're interested, I do have a course out there on the DATAcatedacademy.com called the Data Dashboard with Power BI. So if you're interested, go ahead and check that out.